I want to put a video doorbell in on the front door of our new house, but there's no existing wiring to do it. Luckily, Ring just came out with their new 2nd gen Battery Doorbell Plus, so I'm about to install it. I'm going to unbox it, go through the app setup, and show you the install process step by step, so stick around to see how easy it is. Let's start by seeing what's in the box. First is the 2nd gen Ring Battery Doorbell Plus device. The new sleek slim design was built to look good on any exterior. A universal mounting plate. A corner kit's included to give more flexibility for the best possible field of view. A full hardware kit. The release tool. A USB-C charging cord for the quick release battery pack. And a security sticker. Now that we know what's in the box, let's get it connected to the Ring app. Once you've downloaded it and signed in, scan the QR code that's included in the setup guide or on the back of the device. From there, you'll be prompted to remove the battery pack and charge it for the install. The quick release feature is great since it makes charging or swapping out a new battery super easy. Now we're ready to get the device installed. First thing was the mounting plate. I used a level to make sure it was straight once I had it placed where I wanted. I marked my drill points with a pencil, used a 1/4 inch drill bit since I was going through the metal door frame, and inserted the included wall anchors from the hardware kit. Then I secured the plate with the screws that came with the anchors. After that, it was just lining up the doorbell with the plate and tightening the little security screw at the bottom to the plate so it won't go anywhere. From there, it was just inserting the charged quick release battery pack back into the device and attaching the doorbell cover plate. Now that your device is installed, open the Ring app and you'll see you have a live view with 2K clarity with head-to-toe view, night vision that stays in color longer, motion detection and customizable motion zones so you can tailor what your device sees, and motion scheduling if you prefer to not receive alerts during certain hours. And there it is! Installing the new Ring Doorbell Plus is literally a breeze. What's nice is that there's no hard wiring, breaker box, or electrician required. It's just easy. There's a ton of great features in this new model that make it a solid choice for a video doorbell. If you'd like to learn more, including the full specs and where to get yours, visit ring.com. I'll also put a link in the description box below. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and if this video helped you out, I would love if you gave it a like. Thanks for taking the time to watch, and I'll see you soon.